Yo, what's up everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in West Chase, Florida. We're here for commercial cleaning. This is a contract I just landed. I got about 9 of these enclosures for the compactors all across Central Florida, man. So this is gonna be one of 9. Where right now 6 are ready to go. So 1 of 6, and then the other 3 will be ready to go soon. But this is the first one here. And basically all I'm doing is cleaning the, the floor, wash down the enclosure, the exterior of the compactor. Get all this up right here, cleaned up for them. Nice and easy. And also we're gonna clean the part where they throw the trash in, which is on the other side. The walls is good, but I'm gonna go ahead and treat the walls also. Had to use a lot of water hose, man. I'm connected way at this building to get some water. Let me show you guys on this side. The exterior of the enclosure itself is pretty clean. This is an apartment complex here in Tampa. We got a couple in Tampa, St. Pete, and Orlando. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the floor over here for them. Clean the outside of here. So you got some black algae at the top. We're gonna clean that up. And also we're gonna clean this area up in here. We are gonna be using a degreaser on this to let it melt off. Yeah, I appreciate you guys checking the videos out. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm already watered up, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get all the big debris off to one corner so it's easy to manage. So I'm gonna have the surface clean that area. All right, let's go. Alright, so we got the debris off. Now we're gonna just put a pre-treatment on the floor. I'm using a 6% mix of SH and water with a little bit of surfactant in it. Just want to break up this, this dirt all up in that, all that algae right here. So I'm going pretty strong on this mix here. My first time on this job here, so I noticed there's a lot of dirt packed up. So what I'm gonna do is next time get me a square head shovel, and I can get some of that dirt out of there a little bit better before I start. But hey, first day, we'll find out what works, what doesn't. I think it's gonna go pretty well. Let's close enclosure. Some algae at the top right there. this SH here, it doesn't just clean it, man. It sanitizes it. So, you know, you working in here, this thing's pretty dirty. So, you know, you don't want that stuff to be flying up on you. I'm trying to kill this thing on impact. So that's why I'm going so hot with it today. Alright guys, so we're gonna sanitize this area here. I'm not sure, that might be algae. It's caked on there real bad. I'm gonna sanitize it first with the SH, man, just to kill all the germs, man, before I come in here and blasting. And I'm gonna follow it up with a degreaser. Same thing with this floor here. So you see how fast I sprayed that? All the algae that was over here is already gone. I'm gonna let that sit. Spray that top area. I'm not sure if that's algae. Might just be rust or paint gone from there. But we're gonna let that dwell. We're gonna start on the inside of the enclosure. Come back over here and rinse this part. Let's go. All right, guys, in here is all cleaned up. Fresh concrete. See it? Got the floor cleaned up over here. No stripes, nothing, man. Look at that. Very clean. We're gonna go outside, do the hopper, and then we'll be out of here, man. That's all she wrote, man. Cleaned up nice. The area up there that's just rust from that frame, it's just not coming off. Like paint is missing off the actual aluminum, whatever back there. But in here is nice and clean. Can't beat that with a stick. Alright guys, so we got the little project cleaned up. My first dumpster pad or compactor. Like I said, I got 6 of them I gotta do. There's 9 total, but 6 of them already, so this was the first one. A couple of things I would change next time is, you know, I would wear my mask. Also bring a flathead shovel, just in case I got all that sludge and dirt, whatever. They do have some kind of drainage underneath the compactor, so that helped me a lot. I thought I was gonna have to pump out a bunch of water, but so there's some kind of filtration system or whatever under there. But yeah, man, it went well. I was there for a little bit over an hour, maybe an hour and 45 minutes, no, hour and 15 minutes. And man, it worked great because, you know, over 500 an hour, so you can't even beat that. I didn't have to use the degreaser. The SH took care of everything for me. I thought I was gonna have to use a lot of degreaser. I mean, you know, I brought it just in case. You never know what you're gonna need. But yeah, man, everything went well. All right, guys. So